Hello, this is Piano Green, and today I'm showing you how to make a studio on Scratch. So basically, you go to My Stuff by clicking in this button in the top corner of the Scratch page, and you go here, then you press Add New Studio. Then from here, you can change the title like this. So you click on here. And then you type in what you want to do. So for example, I would do this. So now you got your title. It could be anything you want. You can describe what your studio is about, as it says here. And then over here it says when you last updated this studio. So that's today because that's the current date, I guess. And I'm updated it today because I just made it. And you can change the thumbnail here to whatever you want by clicking change. If you didn't know what a thumbnail is, it's just what will show up if you go to explore and then you find the studio. Yeah, that's what will show up, so that's a thumbnail. So now these two buttons here, you can add projects by doing this, and you can also let anyone add projects, so you can do it on and off. Here is the comment section. You can turn it on and off at will, and you can leave a comment like this by typing in and clicking post. And here is curators. So if you want to invite people, then you press this and then you add from here, or by adding from their username. What curators can do, they can add and delete projects, and that's about it. But if there's already a curator there, then you can promote them, and then they can become a manager. So managers can change the title of the studio, change the thumbnail and the description, and they can also delete managers and curators. So over here's activity. It shows what's been happening. Then last but not least, you can follow the studio, and I guess that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Please give feedback by either liking, disliking, and also even subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye.